Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 1 of the HCBS Final Rule, access to community. The requirement states that you must have the same access to the community as anyone else. You have the right to live in the community, access jobs, and decide how to spend your money and time. Let me explain. This is Lorenzo, one of the people I support. Let's join him on the day a can of soup, a baseball bat, and Jackson Pollock helped him find his place in the community.
Sup, Venus? You got a sec?
Like, sure, Lorenzo. Why so gloomy?
Well, I love the day program, but I can do more.
I get it, dude. Let's find you something that's like pure Lorenzo. What are you thinking? Employment, community-based activities, volunteering? Not to toot my own horn, but I'm like really good at this. I helped Maya and Steven.
Yeah, Venus is the best. She helped me find a job. Why don't you come work with me?
What do you think? Want a job?
Well, I do like money.
Good morning, Maya. Who's your friend?
Hey, Mr. Kruger. This is Lorenzo. He needs a job.
Can you follow directions? Stack cans. Do you like chowder?
Yes, and no.
Well, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. You're hired, kid.
Woohoo! Boring. Huh. Yeah. Yeah.
That's not what you were supposed to build.
What can I say? I'm an artist, man.
Oh. Bummer, dude. No worries. I got you.
Hey, bud. I'm so excited you're trying out for the team. Don't worry, I'll go easy on you. Keep your eye on the ball.
Thanks, Steven.
Fastball! Curveball! Change up! Hey, bud. First base is that way.
Oh, this day.
Here you go, sir. Boy, I love my job.
Really? Oh, come on. Huh?
There you are, dude.
Sorry, Venus. I tried. Those things just aren't for me.
No, like, I'm totally sorry. Just because something works for someone else doesn't mean it's right for you.
Nothing works for me. I just mess things up.
We all mess up, dude. But that's okay. Life is messy and maybe that's exactly what we need right now. Wanna go get messy?
Huh. Yeah. Yeah.
That's amazing! Lorenzo, with help from Venus and others at the day program, found his place in the community. Access to the community is your right. What would you like to get from yours? Remember, your planning team strives to be person-centered in all they do. And that person in the center is you.